There was a LightPack to bring some light to your experience. LightPack was successfully funded on Kickstarter with $500,000, but that was a LightPack for computers. And now we made a LightPack for everything. LightPack 2 is an HDMI pass-through device. It's as simple as that. Just connect the LightPack to the TV and then connect all of your HDMI devices to the LightPack. Our LED strip fits any screen size. Simply cut the strip to the length you need and stick it to the back of your TV. Use our magic LED corners to mount the parts. LightPack 2 creates cool, fast, and bright reflections on the wall behind your TV. LightPack's LED strip lets you expand your screen with a multitude of colors, bringing a truly groundbreaking and eye-opening experience. But to make your experience even more immersive, we went above and beyond TV. Introducing Pixels. You can put a pixel anywhere and it will work with LightPack, lighting up in quick, colorful flashes. It's a smart, wireless, full-color light for your room. And it's an interactive media object. With LightPack, you can connect Pixel to your favorite social networks via IFTTT. For example, you can make Pixel blink with color when you get an instant message or an Instagram like. We've made a great effort developing and designing LightPack 2 and Pixels.
Introducing KnitBar. The main hub is the brain, and it's Wi-Fi enabled. It tracks and monitors electricity usage at an outlet level. You can plug it directly into an outlet or use it as a power bar, where you can add many different modules like smart outlets, USB chargers, a Wi-Fi repeater, and an environment sensor that tells you about the temperature, humidity, light, and sound level in your ambiance. The surge protector keeps everything safe, and the extension cable, well, it makes things easier. All the modules speak with the main hub, and the main hub speaks with your Wi-Fi. This allows the main hub to send your outlet-level electricity usage to the Knit app. You can view your usage historically and in real time. The app also enables you to remotely control, schedule, and set smart rules to automate when things turn on or off. The possibilities are endless.
In today's hectic world, it's getting increasingly difficult to remember what truly matters: the health of you and your loved ones. But now, someone can help. With his artificial intelligence, Pillow recognizes each and every member of your family and starts caring for them.
Clara, here are your cholesterol pills. I see you're running low. Shall I reorder them for you?
Thank you, Pillow. That'd be great.
Pillow is 100% secure, and his skills and functionalities will grow the more you use him, the more he gets to know you.
Here are your vitamins to go. Enjoy your training session, Liza.
Thank you, Pillow.
Since Pillow's always connected, he can answer all of your health-related questions.
Pillow, how many calories are in a celery stick?
6 calories, Clara. Celery is excellent for your health.
Great, I'll have a bunch then.
Aww. Good morning.
Pillow is simple to set up and makes the management of complex medication regimens very easy. He'll remind you, so you'll never miss a dose again.
Wait, John. It's Tuesday. Here's your blood pressure medication.
You're right. Thank you, Pillow.
And if you want, he'll notify your caretakers in case of an emergency, like when he forgot his heart medication.
Hey, Dad. I just got a message from Pillow. Everything okay?
Because, you see, Pillow's not just a member of the family. He's a true healthcare companion. And since he can sync with any wearable and wireless devices, Mark can share his combined health and wellness data through one secure, user-friendly platform where he receives fast and reliable feedback.
Goodbye, Doctor. Thank you, Pillow.
Because sometimes, all you need to stay healthy is a friendly, timely reminder. And that's exactly what Pillow will do for you.
We're in the wireless future. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, LTE. So why don't we charge our tech the same way we use it? Charging has been left behind. This is FlyCharge. Other wireless charging systems typically require proper orientation, specific device compatibility, and usually don't charge as fast as standard outlets. Plus, they definitely don't look as cool as FlyCharge. FlyCharge is wireless charging done right. It uses conductive technology, which means it charges on contact. This means it works with virtually any device, and you don't have to worry about device orientation. It emits no additional radiation and is safe to touch. The Flyway 40 is a 40-watt high-speed charging pad that can simultaneously charge all of your devices at the same speed as a regular outlet. The Fly case seamlessly integrates with your smartphone. Take the Fly Cube or the Fly Coin, plug it into your device, place it on the Flyway, and charge away. The Fly Cube gives you the flexibility to charge your device while in use. And the Fly Coin lets you charge any USB-powered device connected to it. FlyCharge is awesome. You don't have to worry about placement or any of that stuff. You simply take it out, put it down, and charge up. It's that easy. I have FlyCharge everywhere. I've got them in my home and in my office. And so does Martha. Keep crushing it, Martha. It's common for people to put their phones down on whatever surface they're in front of. So why not be charging it at the same time? FlyCharge can charge your devices, your friend's devices, that guy's devices, all at the same time, without losing charging speed. Clean up your space and have easy access to charge all your stuff. No more cord searching, wire tripping, or outlet thievery. Use FlyCharge.
Hi Kickstarter, I'm Josh Reniff, a product designer from London and the creator of the Barrister. The Barrister is finally here to redesign your morning, introducing a whole new way to wake up and begin your fresh, new day. Promising to renew your morning routine, the Barrister combines ultimate convenience with a sensory experience. Wake up to the invigorating aroma of freshly brewed coffee or tea at your chosen time. Before going to bed, fill the glass boiling vessel with enough water for your chosen morning drink. Place the bung in the top of the boiling vessel securely. If you take milk with your drink, fill the specially designed milk vessel. Next, we're ready for you to add the good stuff. Spoon the freshly ground coffee into the filter from the sealed storage compartment. Set your alarm time, then set the brew time for your drink, before, at the alarm, or after. The Barrister can be used for tea as well as coffee. Charge your phone off the USB port located in the base. My research was inspired by the psychology behind sleep and relaxation. I learned that adopting a nightly routine can encourage a more restful night's sleep, whilst gently stimulating one's senses can lead to a better awakening.
EXO is a strong stainless steel exoskeleton and an impact absorption system, providing luxurious security which protects the vulnerable areas of your cherished device, all while leaving it virtually bare. Inspired by the craftsmanship and quality of mechanical watch movements, we wanted to distill that luxury and functionality, part of our digital now. EXO is made of high-grade stainless steel. It is hand-finished like an exclusive watch before it is polished and laser-etched. Finally, the internal surfaces are flocked, giving the iPhone soft, velvety seat. Building on a heritage of design, EXO is a result of more than 2 years of research and development. You can attach your phone to a variety of accessories by inserting your accessories clover into the center of EXO. With a secure connection, the possibilities are endless.
Naki is a small, elegant device that instantly transforms ordinary surfaces in your environment into remote controls. Using Naki couldn't be easier. Simply take it out of the box, pick a place to put it, select a surface to attach it to, and then define all the things you'd like Naki to do. Noki can control a wide variety of devices around us. But the true beauty of our technology is that what it can do is only limited by your imagination. Put one in your living room, or the kitchen, or even your bedroom. I mean, imagine rolling over in the morning and tapping a simple pattern anywhere on your nightstand to snooze your alarm and start the coffee maker without even opening your eyes. You just bought 10 more minutes in bed. And you'll definitely want to put one in your kid's bedroom. It's exciting to think of how Noki will spark their imagination as they figure out all kinds of ways to use it.
Using Wi-Fi, which is proven to be far more reliable and with better reach than Bluetooth, you can enjoy using Noki from anywhere. The number of devices and software that Noki interacts with is rapidly growing every day. It currently includes Nest, Philips Hue, LifeX, SmartThings, IFTTT, and more. But even if you're new to the smart technology world, you can still use Noki for simple functions around your home. Other technologies that rely on sound or voice control can be unreliable and confusing to use. They can be triggered accidentally and don't always work as expected. Our patent-pending technology uses non-acoustic sensors. It's able to distinguish deliberate tap or knock patterns from random vibrations in the environment.